Forever, this has been a land of debate, of questions, never of commandments, especially when entities considered divine appeared. People saw it as a possibility to raise questions, to bring clarity, not to settle for a confidence that is bred out of belief. This is not about getting to a falsehood of certainty that one assumes with belief. This is about celebrating our uncertainty. This is about working for clarity, not for blind confidence. Our past is animal nature. If we become conscious enough to stay in the present, we become human. Very easily we can slip back into animal nature. Those of you who are just falling asleep, I'm reminding you, you're just slipping back. That whether your eyes are open or closed is no more a conscious process. It just happens by itself. No. It's important that we remember that we have evolved out of animal nature. This is the time to enjoy our human nature, and this is only possible if we are conscious and in the present. If we want to be in the present, we have to be conscious. But the future is beckoning. Divine nature is beckoning us in future. This means the possibility of evolving beyond the dimensions or definitions of what we consider as human is right here for every one of us. The question is only, will we step forward or will we step backwards? Will we move into our divine possibility or will we step back into our animal past? This is a constant challenge, this is a constant possibility that human beings are struggling with. This is a night of wakefulness. Jagaran means not just wakefulness, means a night of awakening. If this is your night of awakening, we must step forward into the divine possibility, not backwards into our animal past.